Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there was a boy named Leo. It was a rainy day, and Leo felt a bit bored indoors. He put on his colorful raincoat and rubber boots and decided to go outside for an adventure. As Leo splashed through puddles, he noticed a shiny object near a tree. Curious, he picked it up and realized it was a magical key. The key had a note attached that said, "Unlock the door under the rainbow for a surprise." Excited, Leo followed the note's instructions and searched for a rainbow. He soon spotted a beautiful rainbow arching across the sky. At the end of the rainbow, he found a small door nestled between two bushes. With the magical key, Leo turned the lock and opened the door. Of tiny creatures. There were tiny houses, colorful flowers, and even a tiny bakery. The creatures welcomed Leo with smiles and offered him a delicious mini cake. Leo chatted with them, making new friends and sharing stories, exploring this magical world. When the rain finally stopped, Leo knew he had to return home. The miniature creatures waved goodbye, and Leo locked the door with the magical key, promising to visit again. Leo returned home with a heart full of joy and a story to tell. The rainy day had turned into a memorable adventure that he would cherish forever. And so, whenever it rained, Leo would put on his raincoat and boots, hoping for another magical journey to the tiny world under the rainbow.